Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get an API key for Google Maps. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Google Maps Platform or go directly to mapsplatform.google.com. Once there, click on the Get Started button. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account, as this is required to proceed. If you are not signed in, log in first. Once you are inside the dashboard, get to the left side menu from the top. Select API and Services, and then select Enabled API and Services. This is where you will be able to manage your keys and enable different Google Maps services. Next, select the type of API you would like to use. Once done, click on the Manage button, and then you will be prompted to verify your payment information. Even though Google offers a free tier with monthly credits, it still requires a valid payment method, such as a credit or debit card, to activate the API. So that's basically how you can get an API key for Google Maps. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.